Hi my friends, tonight I'm going to do a mukbang. I'm starving. Oh my god, we got food delivered from Pizza Hut. I was about to pass out. I had not had pizza in a very long time. We got wings and we got apple pieces, we got cheese sticks, and of course we got pizza. We got Hawaiian teriyaki wings. So yay, let's eat together. My husband and I are going to have our first mukbang together for you guys. Look, it says grated Parmesan cheese. Little packages of it. Can you see them all? Come closer. I'll show them to you. A whole bunch of them. And let's see what's in here. Oh, Wing Street. We got bone-out wings also. Never had those. Barbecue some flavor. Oh, barbecue flavor. Oh, look what they look like. Oh, garlic. It must be garlic. Oh, look at that. Let's eat some. Yum, 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 yum. Let's see what's in here. It says 60 years. Pizza Hut, celebrating Pizza Hut 60 years. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. Look, 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 look. Pretty neat box. Happy birthday, Pizza Hut. 60 years. Oh, look at this pizza. And these are the pizza rolls. I forgot all about those. We weren't even gonna get them, but we wanted to do a real mukbang one time. Oh my god, look at this pizza. Which one is that? It says 1958, first Pizza Hut. Two brothers opened the first Pizza Hut in Wichita, Kansas, and America's love for pizza begins. I'm wearing an American tie tonight. Am I in the camera? Yeah. So let's get started. Oh, the pizza rolls I'm gonna eat later. Oh, look at all of this. I wanted to show you. Oh my god, look at this. These are the chicken wings. It says Wing Street, doesn't it? Ooh, the lamp fell off. Snapped right off. Look at this Wing Street. Teriyaki. Let me open it. Look at these wings. Oh, Hawaiian teriyaki wings. Let's have some first. Yum, 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 yum. You don't want them to be cold. Does it smell teriyaki-ish? And oh, delicious Hawaiian teriyaki sauce on my wings. Look, we ordered 2 large pizzas, $7.99 each. Oh my god, that's the best stuffed crust pizza. Oh my god, look how big and thick this crust is. Oh, and it's garlic, buttery garlic crust. That's the ones with the mushrooms and onions. Yum, let me show you. Oh, let me show you. I'm so excited. Now I had a knife here earlier because 2 of them are kind of stuck together. Hold on just a second. There it is. There it is. My camera's about to fall. Oh my god. Look at this. That's amazing, isn't it? Let's get started. I thank God for my food. Oh yeah, that's like Parmesan, butter and garlic it smells like it. Here, have a slice. That's for you. You're welcome. Take it. Oh, finally. We're gonna be sitting down and
blocking your camera.
Let me get this plate here. Oh, yum. Let's eat together, guys.
Hi guys, do you like pizza? I like pizza. You want to take a bite? Here, take a bite.
My husband got a bit tired
Take a bite.
and
Oh,
crabby.
yummy. That's good.
We were in the pool this morning a little bit, this afternoon, I mean. Mm.
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 Mm-hmm. That's sing your
I
onion
almost
songs.
didn't wanna buy from that Pizza Hut again, because last time it wasn't that good, and this time it looks good. It's still a thin crust though, but this time I didn't order a thin crust.
This
But
is the stuffed crust.
which has a thin crust though, but really, really stuffed on a. See, we actually cannot see ourselves.
You can see the cheese in the middle.
You can see us.
You can see, if you look careful, you can probably see right through it. No cheese or weasel in there.
This is so good. I don't even need a plate. Now, it's like garlic now. What I wanted to do is show you the food. I can hardly reach them. I don't know if you can even see the pizza or what we're eating. Yeah. Are you in there? Yeah. Is that good so? My arm is not that long. It's fine. I hope we turned the camera.
Okay.
Recording.
Best thing about stuffed crust pizza is that cheese inside the crust. Yummy. That's why they call it a stuffed crust.
Looking over now, what's on that camera?
If you eat a whole stuffed crust pizza, you will be stuffed.
We actually worried about the money buying it. My husband and I were a bit arguing, not about this food, but about something else we bought yesterday. So, I think this will be worth it. This is our first mukbang. I wanted to display all the food all at one time. I got my mirror. I know what we should probably do is get it from the top down. Yeah.
Could eat something
Is
else.
that the
This is teriyaki.
teriyaki wing?
Has the sticker on it.
Okay.
As the sticker says,
In.
has a little.
I already showed it. It's a little bit hot in here. Just take some. Can I have this one?
Yeah, sure.
Look.
A little bit of meat on
But
those.
there's a little hair on it though. Look, 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 look.
Just like a little chicken
Look, 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 look.
drumstick.
No, look. Look. This long of a hair.
No,
Look. Always watch out.
That's a hair-raising experience.
Yeah. I know.
Okay.
So check out your food before you eat it. So, I don't remember.
Chicken. Baked chicken.
Yum. Yeah. Teriyaki chicken kiss.
That'd be pretty sticky.
I would have been choking on camera from that hair if I wouldn't have seen it. That's why it's always good if you pray before you eat.
Cats are going to love that tomorrow. Well, it'll be gone in a second.
They had so much food today.
They're not hungry now, but tomorrow they will be.
I'm gonna eat some pizza for breakfast. That other pizza? We didn't order it. Maybe
Pizza
that's
for
their
breakfast.
birthday special.
Maybe.
Their 60 year
Another
birthday
hair.
special. Where? Another hair?
Ah.
Oh my god, I almost said the F word.
Food. F-O-O-D. It's a four-letter word.
Oh, good, look. Oh my god, ew. Oh, but now this is mine because I handled it so much and it looks so delicious. Here. But, can I have that? Put the hair in there and then just put that over here because...
I didn't know chicken had hair. I thought they had feathers.
Man.
Where'd all that hair come from?
I wonder who made it.
A guy named Harry.
Yeah. Harry. Do you want to keep these two pieces for tomorrow? And we'll try some of the other one, the barbecue one, to see which one you like. Am I even in the camera? Is the food in the camera?
I don't know.
I thought you were kidding me when you said there's a hair on that one too. I saw. That's a bit of a fat. It's good though.
Harry did a good job cooking, but you know, he shed a little bit. He was shedding.
Oh. I bought the wings for you. I don't think I ever bought any wings before. I think I had wings one time somewhere. Many years ago, like 15 years ago.
Usually if we get chicken breasts and chicken thighs.
Yeah.
And chicken leg drumsticks.
Do you have another plate?
Yeah, right here underneath.
No, no, no. Not that one, because this is leaking.
Well, no. I brought two. How many people are there here?
I know, but I needed some for the plates and stuff. For. So, let's see. Are we in the camera? Go ahead and eat. Can't get all the food and all.
Else?
Yeah, actually, also we may want to film.
I'm gonna try something else. Like
the second wings.
I don't know what it is.
I'm not done with my. Oh, what's happening?
It's a black box, so it's kind
Where
of.
did you put your wing?
In my plate right here. That's the apple.
That's the apple pieces.
Looks like a croissant or something.
No, like a croissant.
It's some kind of a dessert.
It's fried. It's like pies. Apple pies, like you get at McDonald's. Is it okay if we eat them in a little bit? Because if I eat the sweets now...
That looks like dessert to me.
And we're not in the desert. Dessert is written with 2 S and dessert with 2 S's and desert with 1 S.
That's because dessert is super sweet, so just think 2S, super sweet.
Okay.
Dessert.
Okay, let's see if we can set this up differently. Hold on just a sec. Be right back. So this is what we ate. Onions and mushrooms. Stuffed crust pizza. What kind of a crust did we get? Stuffed crust.
It's the Hut favorite.
No.
Which is garlic with the Italian seasoning herbs. Buttery garlic.
Oh really?
And Italian
That's the one?
Yeah.
And it's a thinner crust, but it's super delicious because they didn't spare on the cheese or on the onions or on the mushrooms, and I didn't even ask for more cheese, just the regular. We just paid $2 extra for the stuffed crust. They had a deal $7.99 for this really big pizza. Let's see which one that is. Oh, that smells like peppers. Yes, that's the pepper one. Oh, yes. The pepper with the pepperoni. Oh, and they had it done so fast. Now that's really well done. I bet it's delicious. Whoa. Whoa. That is the hand tossed with I think Pizza Hut favorite flavor crust. Flavored crust. Yeah. Pizza Hut's favorite flavored crust. So let's see what it tastes like. Now these peppers. Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't know if I can eat such a big piece. Oh, that's pretty big. Look. This is the pepperoni and the green peppers. It seems to be oh yeah. That's different. It seems to be, I don't know what it is. I guess that's the pepper. Open the door. Open the door.
Let the pizza in.
Boom.
Oh, thanks a lot, Benny.
Which, you want a really big piece? Or which piece do you want? Choose which one you want. I started on this one. This is even bigger, and this is smaller than the one I have.
I'll take the piece that's pizza.
Okay, pizza piece.
The one that's a pizza.
Pee-pee. Take the pee-pee.
Okay, good. Oops, I'm dripping all over the place. Dripping that pizza all over the place.
Mmm.
Hey, you're kind of in my
Sorry about that.
Mmm.
I wanted them to see it. That's why. Okay. You got room? I'm stuffing myself.
How about the other pizza?
No.
The stuffed crust is the other one.
Yeah, but it's stuffed crust.
This is also a stuffed crust? No.
Yeah, look. For some reason, they stuffed crusted this one too.
Oh.
My husband let his beard grow for me. But he's gonna shave it off tomorrow. And I'll be trimming my hair and coloring it. He let his hair grow really long.
Yes, it won't look like Moses anymore, will it?
Maybe I'll attach. Nah, I won't attach it to the mukbang. Different video. Maybe. Maybe. Oh yeah, be careful that there's no hair now. This is really something. This doesn't seem like pepper. You know what it seems to me like? Really? Like onions. Isn't that like onions? You know what? It's onions. Doesn't really taste that.
You ordered peppers.
Yeah.
Pepperoni and peppers. That kind of rhymes.
Pepperoni and peppers.
That's easy for you to say.
Pizza Hut. Pepperoni and peppers.
You didn't know you could speak Chinese, Isabel.
God. Where's peppers? It is peppers. This one is, they're like fried. Oh, I don't even remember if I tasted any pizza. I mean pepperoni. You got me so confused with the pee-pees.
We have to go pee-pee?
No. Stop. I already went. Did you not tell my AC on in the kitchen?
Yeah.
It's so hot in here. Oh my god. 87. 87. Oh.
This is hot stuff. We better turn the air conditioner on.
You said you did.
We did.
Yeah, eat some of my stuffed crust pizza.
Okay.
So we can move on to the more delicious things.
That's delicious.
That is so weird. Really thin slice. Ow. Finger's still there. That's the kind of things we're thankful for. We're about to get crushed. by the pizza box. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Yep.
Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm.
This is the one each.
Mm-hmm. That's the one I read. I'll read this one next. We turn the camera off and point it here. Let's move on to 1980. That is when I came to America. Let me show you. My beautiful American tie. Yeah. That reminds me of, have you watched American Pie?
No, that's
No.
something different.
That's something different. No, I was going to say Fievel. That's what I really meant. Have you
American
watched
Tail.
An American Tail?
Yeah.
I love that movie. Did you see it? I'm sure you did. How did you like it? There are no cats in America. Yeah, there are cats. We have some.
Out there,
Yeah.
there's a pizza just for me.
It says original pan pizza. Pizza Hut creates pan pizza and introduces it in all Pizza Hut restaurants. It's an instant classic. My husband was holding the mirror up so I could see. I asked him to make us a dandy blend before we left. To go down our driveway and wait. We didn't even have to wait. It was done so quickly. And I'm so thirsty after that. What we had, 2 slices of pizza and 2 wings, right? 2 different slices. Are you ready for your apple pie?
Isn't that what they say? That if you really love a woman, give her wings when she needs to fly. Does that mean Pizza Hut wings? Right? Do you need to fly?
Did you hear that?
Get some wings.
That's a good one. That is a good one. Please give him a thumb up for that. Oh, I almost knocked my dandy blend down. You didn't even say anything. Sometimes he doesn't say anything about wanting a drink. I always have to ask and reach it to him. He doesn't drink as much as I do.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
That tastes dandy. Like dandy blend.
It's good. Now let's go and see. Now the other pizza we did not order. Oh, those pizza rolls. Oh, I don't know if I can eat that much, but it's a mukbang. Wing Street. Wing Street. You know what? We're living on Wing Street today.
Oh, a little bird delivered that one.
Did you sure you're gonna get your plate over there?
Oh, okay. Apple.
Apple. And a plate for me.
Apple. It'll be the apple of my eye.
What?
It's fried and delicious. Real sweet. Apples are really sweet.
Not the apples. Those are sweet so much. The sugar.
Sugar on top of the apples, yeah.
Really good apple spice in there. I have an apple spice at home that I use. You want more? Or? Oh, I'm stuffed. Oh.
We have a whole nother pizza.
Yeah, we don't know why, guys.
It's
We
a
ordered-
mystery pizza.
We ordered
Mystery.
the pizza rolls, but we did not order this. Guys, look. We did not order
Are
this.
those breadsticks or something?
Oh, that's the cheese sticks. Yes, we did order it. Oh my god. You just don't get stuff for free usually,
Ah.
unless you have a coupon or something. Oh, look.
So it's 5 breadsticks together as one with some stuff on the top.
Yeah.
So you gotta kind of break it. Maybe you.
Are
take
you
the
gonna
knife.
eat one of those?
Well, what are you gonna eat?
I thought we eat one of these, but you
Croissant.
want this one? Oh,
Oh, that's good.
oh, that is like,
I like croissants.
it's not croissant,
Huh?
that is a pizza roll.
Huh.
Oh,
Oh,
can
that
you
one's
eat
got-
all of that?
That one's got pepperoni in the middle. That's just
That has pepperoni in it.
That's a little
Look
salty.
at that.
too.
Yeah, it's the cheese, the Parmesan. Cheese with salt or something extra. Mm. Garlic on the top. I have to lean back a little bit, guys. My back. Are we both in the camera?
No, I don't know. If we're eating garlic and anybody stand to watch us eating, can you smell it?
This mirror is so much heavier than the last one. You think so too?
Oh.
You know what, guys? And look, they did not spare on the cheese. Look. Actually, I can't show you. It'll come off. I'll show you in a little bit. Marinara sauce.
Oh, dip it in.
I love that. Here, let me dip it in.
Dip it in.
Oh,
dip
don't
it in.
spill it all over my arm now.
No.
Dip it in, dip it in. Oh.
That's kind of sweet.
You really taste that. Italian herbs in there or something.
That's not just tomato sauce. There's some other stuff in it.
Oh, usually we don't eat that much. So let me hold it for you.
Never.
But you put your plate in that one because it's going to go all over your pants.
You know, in 1980, when Sabina came to America, we got marinated. Oh no, we did get married. Married. And now we're getting marinated.
No, I don't think so.
Uh-huh.
Marry and ate it. Yeah, we'll be marry and ate it.
No, I eat it.
Which we're doing now.
Okay.
I almost wished I would have saved more food. Look, there's only 2 left. This one I'm not going to pull up because I'm going to show you. And there, look. Yeah. What did my mother say? You get man kriegt nichts kostenlos. That's what she said. Remember him?
In heutige Deutschland. Oh, America.
We'll tell the story next time, huh?
Wanna tell
About
it?
the smoking.
No? You want to
You know,
talk?
yeah, if you want to. Go ahead.
Sabina's mother smoked cigarettes.
It was a long time ago.
Long time ago.
When?
They came in 1982.
Yeah.
And
but then later on she didn't smoke anymore.
No, well, we lived in New York City at the time. And about that time, there was a
they
promotion.
They came to visit us from Germany.
There was a promotion. They were
to see us the first time after we were married. Oh, I don't want to trip that on the...
And they were handing out packs of free cigarettes on street corners in Midtown Manhattan, where we lived in Midtown Manhattan. And so since there were 4 of us, Sabina and me,
that's a lot in my
Mom
ear.
And Dad, we each got a pack of cigarettes for her mother. We didn't smoke. Her father didn't smoke. And about every block, we each got 4 packs of cigarettes for about 4 or 5 blocks. And her mother said, "Man, America is a magnificent country. They give away free cigarettes. I love it here."
Yeah, and when my father first came to America, actually the first day they were still tired. Some lady already loved him. She was crazy about my father. This was unbelievable. I couldn't believe it. Anyway, we were doing a job somewhere, and she was buying from us. She was buying something from us. So, this is so yummy.
But her father said, "I've seen America on TV. They have horses and cowboys and mountains, and New York City doesn't look like that." I said, "Well, yeah."
I almost wish I could take a little bit, a sip.
Yeah, this is.
But I don't feel like
American.
doing that either.
Oh, yummy, yummy. Don't spill it.
You want a little?
You gonna marinate me?
I'll be merry and eat. We ate.
Marinara.
You can put it up there, it's fine. So now I'm going to show you this. Hold on just a sec. In 1984 it says, "Book It." A Pizza Hut launches Book It, inspiring a love of reading in classrooms across the country, with 14 million students participating each year. And this is 1988. Hand-tossed pizza hits the big time, making its way to all Pizza Hut locations. Look at how the cheese is just squirting out of there. And yes, that's the breadsticks, and we got one more marinara sauce. So I don't think we can eat any more wings tonight. In 2018, NFL Pizza Hut becomes, what does it say? The official pizza sponsor of the NFL.
I'm gonna have to climb in there.
He has to climb in here, guys. Oh God. Here, let me put the box away with those baby wipes. Yay. Yay. We're nice and cozy. Come, just move the box over. Yeah. Come on, to the right. You can put your leg there. You can put your leg through. Put the box between. No, come. We're getting there. God. Come, put your leg over here. You have enough room. Don't worry about it. And then like that. That's how I do it. And then move the box over by you.
This is like this is like advanced yoga. Trying to squeeze in. Hi, guys.
Don't knock the food down. So we're gonna be eating those wings. Why don't we eat one? Do you want to eat one?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh no! Don't drop the stuff. But you know what? That's barbecue. Oh, I'm going to be so stuffed.
That's a pizza.
Which one do you want?
Stuffed.
Which one do you want? This has a lot of sauce. That's the biggest
I'm gonna
piece.
need my plate, and I'm gonna need.
No, here, take your. Yeah. I'll get your plate, and I'll get your pan. I hope we're in the camera, guys.
These don't have any bones in them.
But still be careful, Dave. May have missed it. And watch out for any hairs.
I don't think Harry cooked this one. That was somebody else.
Mr. Chicken cooked that one.
He wasn't afraid of anything.
This is garlicky, but perfect actually. Not overly garlicky, a little bit sharp, but oh, I'm so stuffed.
That's the pizza salad. Pizza
Maybe we ate of every single thing we bought.
No, didn't eat the breadsticks.
Oh, the breadsticks I can't eat anymore. That's going to be for another day. Maybe tomorrow, probably tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed our mukbang tonight, guys. Or whenever you watch it. We love you. Oh, that's good. I could almost eat another piece.
Oh yeah.
You want another piece? Oh. You want another piece?
Go.
Yes or no?
Give her wings when she wants to fly. Okay,
That's
we're going to take a trip.
That's going to be my next movie.
We're going to take a trip.
One of my next... Dip it in, El. Dip it in.
Dip it in, dip it in. Oh,
oh,
yeah.
don't spill it all over my nice blouse. Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Look. But be careful that... Ooh. Here. Let me dip it in for nice glaze. Oh, except that.
Wow.
So, oh, you're gonna be so tired.
Next time
I'm
before
so
we
tired
get on an
already.
airplane, we're going to buy some wings.
Yeah. Do you need it too? But I have to open the box, so wait. Here. Because it's going to be all messy.
Thank you.
Thank you for the wings and the pizza. The wings without the bones and the wings with the bones. The breadsticks and the apple pies and the pizza rolls.
Pizza,
and the
pizza. But you can't eat a piece of pizza.
No, we have 4 left, guys. We love you guys. Thank you for watching. And take some food home. That's a big piece. There you go.
Yummy.
I'll pack it up for you. We see you later. We love you. Bye. Bye. Till next time. Till soon. Love ya.